sign up as a sustaining member at $10 a month. And ask for those wireless earbuds. If you give $120 all at once, we'd be so glad to send them to you as well. The deadline is 7 o'clock tonight. Support your listening by giving at classicalwcrb.org or call 888-995-9272.
And thank you so much again. If you've already made your gift of support, we just heard from Drew in Wakefield and also Laura in Canton. Thank you so much for your gifts of support. Laura says when she left her gift on a comment online, classical music is the calm we all need. And it truly is. You know, especially now, you are turning to WCRB for joy and peace, and we are happy to be here 24/7, playing that music that brightens your day and brings you comfort. But we have shortened our 7-day fall drive to just 3 days. That means it is more important than ever that you make your gift of support right now. 888-995-9272 or give online at classicalwcrb.org.
And here's some more of that music to go to for an escape. It's from François Couperin, his Ritratto dell'Amore. Trio Sonnerie plays it.
Because there is no way, and I want you to listen to me here, there is no way to rig a presidential election the way they are claiming Trump did. Now, you would need a really close election where the Democrats could say we need an additional 50,000 votes in Cook County, or we need an additional 80,000 in West Virginia. You delay closing in those places and you manufacture the votes. You mentioned Al Franken finding votes in the trunk of a car 2 weeks later. You can do that, but you need the election to be over. You need it to be over, and you need to know how many votes you need and where. And then you need to be able to offer a good excuse why the votes haven't been counted yet. But to go in and rig the election before Election Day, to make sure that no matter what happens, your guy's going to win, it's not possible, folks. It simply isn't possible. And no less than Barack Hussein Obama has made this point. And yet the Democrat Party has done everything it can to make people in this country believe that's exactly what happened, that the Russians wanted Trump, and so they made it happen. And that Trump knew about it and helped them and worked with them. And I'm telling you, the American presidential election is so complex. It has so many precincts. You can't predict